Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and we're here in the parking lot of a law firm that I'm going to meet with. And today I want to talk to you about the 4 key questions you need to ask yourself before you go into any big meeting. That's right, there are 4 key questions you should ask yourself before you go into any big meeting with a potential client. And it's really important for you and your firm that you master these questions and you prep for these meetings so that you get the outcome that you desire. Now, the first question that you need to ask yourself before you go into these meetings is, what outcome do you expect from the meeting that you're going to have with your client or your prospective client? Knowing what the outcome is ahead of time is absolutely critical, and I'm always amazed at the attorneys who don't prepare for their meetings in advance. So make sure you know what outcome you expect from the meeting ahead of time. Question number 2 is, what outcome does your client or your prospective client expect to get from the meeting? I mean, it makes sense that if you're preparing for the outcome that you want, you'll also prepare for the outcome that the client wants. So you have to know what outcome the client expects from this meeting as well. The third question is, what do you know about the client or the prospective client that you're going to meet with? Doing your preparation, doing your homework ahead of time is critical. You need to understand what the client does, what his business is, what his situation is, what the potential matter is that you're meeting about. Knowing what the client is expecting is critical. Knowing the client's firm or the client's business or the client's situation is even more critical. The final question that you need to ask yourself is, what does the client know about you? And this is the most underestimated point heading into any meeting. It's really important that you're positioned well in the mind of the client. So what the client knows about you is absolutely critical. We always send a pre-meeting packet before we meet with anyone. So everybody knows all about me, they've gotten a copy of my book, they know all about the articles I've written and the places that I've appeared, and I'm really positioned well in their mind. They hold me in high esteem before I even walk in the room. Same thing should happen with you. Your client should know as much about you as they need to in order to hold you in high esteem and make sure that they understand that they're dealing with an expert. I have to go to my meeting right now, but keep these 4 key questions in mind before you go into your next meeting with a client or prospective client. For more great tips just like these, you can visit me, Dave Lorenzo, at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.